Welcome! In front of me I have HTC Desire 20 Plus, and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works on this smartphone. So we can find the fingerprint sensor on the back of the smartphone right here. Let's make a small test and let's see how it performs. So there we got it. Let's check. Okay, here we got some kind of delay, like 1 second when I put the finger on the sensor. After 1 second the smartphone will be unlocked. The good point that this sensor works every time right now, so for the few tries we can say that it's reliable. Honestly, I use other smartphones with faster sensors. For example, Redmi Note 10 Pro or Poco X3 Pro. Yeah, so definitely it's not the fastest sensor that you can use on the smartphone, and even in this price range you can find other smartphones with faster sensors, but it works every time, so it's very good. That's very important. So if you find this video helpful, remember to have a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.